Hello, good evening, my people. How are they? This now na guy, Laddie the welder. I don't come today again to talk about some of the equipment we they use for welding workshop. As a welder, basic welding equipment where you need to get. At least, say, let's say, if you want to do small DIY for your house, right? You will need some of these basic things to be able to function, to be able to do most of the things that you need to do. Um, for my last two videos, I talk about measurements, use how to use the tape and the kind discrepancy where we see for measuring tapes back home for Nigeria when I did Lagos, where you will just go market, buy tapes, but because you think say the thing don't they well calibrated, you go begin use that measure. By accident, I think even though say we get problem with those tapes because most of the boys where they work with me, some of them they buy their own tapes, just anyhow tape. But we find out I say, okay, tell this person make it go cut 200 mm length of pipe. Tell another person make it go cut the same 200 mm. Tell Mr. C to go cut, but they all get different tapes. When they cut and come, you go see say the thing no they equal. Small differences they. I've been thinking, okay, maybe now the hand of cutting when they cut, now in the problem they come. But one day I just look at it and then because me I the travel, I dey buy some of these things from here. Just they will just put them together. I just say, why this thing? When I put my own tape, I see say short of um 200 mm. It's short, like it be 198 or 197. So I can't call them and say I say make gonna cut 200 mm. Why not bring 190 something? Say this thing has to fit. They say no, not 200 mm then cut. And that's so we can't begin check. We can't find out say those tapes, they no calibrate them well. And the way they take calibrate them, maybe because they know say in Africa they come, they just do anything they like. And that's what we take more. I will also talk about use I talk about my other video, I talk about vinyl caliper, where we take measure thickness of our materials. Most of our materials, whether na plate or whether na flat bar, whether na rod or whether na high section beam, pipes, anything wey we dey do, e get thickness wey we dey use, and those thickness dem get purpose. If you wan do something, the thickness na go determine how long that thing go take last. If you use plate wey be 1 mm or 1.2 mm take do job, e no fit be, e no go last the same thing as plate wey you use 2 mm do. Even when you carry am the weight e go dey different. So that na the topic about what I've been talk, the two videos what I've been doing about measuring this thing. So today I want to talk about some of the tools or equipment where you suppose get as a welder for your workshop. I think the basic ones. We go start with this small thing within my hand. They call them marking chalk. So and I go pardon me because now me alone they do this thing. I need to carry the camera, make I show now some of these things, and then we can move on to the next level. Make on a no verse. So see, this not the chalk. Um, the reason why would they use this one? They say it we go see them well where you mark for plates. You can't use pencil like a carpenter to take mark metal. You know, go show well. And you get well now. Some you don't get some kind of pen where then they use make the write well for metal. So I go flip the camera and make you see what I they talk when you the mark. Say for instance now I want mark this thing. If I draw this chalk now, you see how it is. See, it is there. But if we use pencil, you know, see am. So that's why we dey use they call am marking chalk. Um, that one now when we dey measure, when we dey use tape and all that thing. As a welder, you're supposed to get hacksaw, right? This one semi-automatic. See semi-automatic hacksaw, but you get the manual one with this one a manual, but you still get mitre. You fit turn and put angle, change the angle position to take cut anything where you want cut. That na um, hacksaw, but you can also use, if you want to cut, we also use what we call grinding machine, which is this one. Grinding machine, different sizes. Now in the you get the one where this one a big one. Make I bring her out, make you for see. What now they talk about? Yeah, this is heavy. It heavy, pa. See, we they call it grinding machine or cutting machine. So the disc where they for this one now, na cutting disc, right? Na cutting disc. See, I'm the right hand there. Metal cutting. Oh, this na cutting disc. But even the cutting disc get different sizes. Some dey wey thin pass this one. Say, as this machine dey big like this cutting grinding cutting machine, right? If you use am cut, if you use am grind. The only thing wey be say you go change the blade. This na cutting blade. If I no get the big one for, e go dey inside store there. But I get small one for my. I get a smaller grinding, cutting or grinding machine. I get. So you see this one now be like. So make I see whether I get the one whenever you say. Yeah, see am. You see the thickness. This na grinding machine, grinding disc. That na cutting disc, but big diameter. I think this is like probably 18, 22, like yeah, 9 inches. This na 9 inches. Then this one grinding disc, and you see you see the thickness as it take be. If you want to use and you unscrew this one, put them there, you go use and grind. You understand? Lock am back, you go use and grind. As I talked before, so for this, but all these ones now for the small grinding, cutting or grinding machine, it is inside my shed there. This not the big one. So all these disc are for the smaller ones, right? This one now, this na cutting. You see the thickness, but if you look at this one, the thickness, grinding that one. Then see, I will show you one other one. See this one again. See the thickness, about 2 mm. That now for cutting most especially stainless steel and all those things. So we get that now another machine we need. So this work now two jobs they do. If they cut, if they grind. If you use this one cut anything we want cut, but if we want cut faster, we get that. But we even get proper cutting when they call bandsaw. I no get that one for house. You go dey workshop. Then you need welding machine. This na arc welding machine. Where would they use stick? This is another one, but this one is a very portable one, just to if you want to do small job or something. But the thing be say, apart from as it's small, so you get some where we say as it's small, so if you do the work where the one will big past this one, they do. Now the way the Igbo people they do am, just for convenient, and if you are walking up, you need to carry. You can't be carrying all those big things up, so drawing, pulling cable all the way up. That's why they come up with all these small portable inverter. But there are some big, more powerful one that would do any job. But mostly the ones with the Lagos are just to do tack job. All those small light plate welding. Anything we don't pass. 3 mm, 4 mm. If you use this kind of machine, weld them, you know, it's too hold them strong. You need to step up to something like this, which is a bigger arc stick welding machine. Why would they call it a stick welding machine? Now, because if they use electrode and you go put them for the mouth. No vex. Now me, I just dey carry this thing for hand. So you see, I no get person wey dey record for me. You put your so you see, that's why we call it stick. That's an electrode, right? Where they there. Electrode topic for electrode they different because the electrode they different electrode. Then get sizes and everything. We them they what they use them for. Now how the thing where you want well say thick. Now in the electrode 2 day. So you know just fit carry one electrode take do the same different jobs. You get different electrode for different jobs. So well, some in another topic we'll talk about that one. But this welding machine them too, then get different purpose. Like this one and this one, then be arc machine as arc my a welding machine where we dey use electrode to take do. I get this one here where also be welding machine, but this one na um MIG where they use gas. See if you come be for the back here now, you go see you get argon, especially when we dey do stainless steel. Now this kind of welding machine they use argon CO2. Argon is 86%, while carbon dioxide is 40%. So you connect it to see and then if they get what thing they call coil. If they here, we will put the coil, flex core for that place. You go pass through this wire, come out, and then see the mouth, your own mouth. So that thing will come out here. I know that set her up, that's why. So as you dey press them, the core go they come out by itself for that hole. You get another nozzle. I think the nozzle they here, they inside this place. Let me see. The nozzle is here. Yes, so that's the nozzle. Unfortunately, the flux core is inside that place. So this thing will go inside this place like that, right? You don't see as you dey press this thing, if to say that flex core they there, get different sizes. They inside. If I don't connect them, on them, press this button right there here, it will come out by itself, and then you go begin use and weld with the gas. So now it will give you perfect welding for this thing. But it gets different places where they use them. Like this one now, we they use them mostly for stainless steel. People where they do car repairs, then they use them here, right? But this one is more for welding solid metal, like that. It gets another third machine. I no get that one here. Then they call it MIG. Sorry, TIG. It won't be like this one. Into the use flex core. No, they use flex core. It a TIG. It gets and because they here, I know if you explain that for you. When I see them, I go do video on that one for my next video. So my people, this now some of the equipment we will use for our workshop. See, electrodes, all those things, they're all there here. Until next time, some of these things I'll be posting them on my Instagram handle and Facebook, but now small clip go they come there because then they heavy. I'll put the link of the YouTube channel on a free watch the full video. I better make one of the comment If you get question, ask. I will explain. And if you can share, it's for enlightenment to let people know what is happening. I'll keep going into it. By the time I explain all the tools and everything, we now start going into details of welding and all that stuff. Until I come on our way next time, this now na man. This time around, na me dey carry the video up and down, take record. My name is Aladi. I go see you now for the other side when I come again. Thank you very much. Bye.